Guys, welcome back to my channel here on DeSam tutorials. I really appreciate anytime you come here to watch something new. Today we'll be looking at how to use any song as our ringtone on our iPhone without any computer, any software, just your phone. But before that, guys, you need to install your ISO, or you need to update your ISO to 15.1 and above, or you have a little challenge with that. So what you need to do is that first, we said we're going to use any song. So how do I even download the song on my phone? All you need to do is go to your browser, then you type in the song that you want to use. Assuming, let's use this song, maybe one of the Kanye West song. So here you will find a download button here. So then you click on download, then you close this one. They will ask you, do you want to download Kitty song? Then you click on download, then you go over here, then you see that there is a download option here. So you click on it and it has been downloaded. So once you are done with the song, you locate your app store. Then I'll locate my app store. Once I get my app store, I'll go to search, then I'll type in GarageBand, and this is the app you are going to use to make any song as our ringtone. So over here I've already installed it. So in your case, you have to install it. You put in your credentials, then you download this app. So I'll open my own. This is how the app looks like. Once the app opens, this is how the interface look like. You need to locate audio recorder, then you click on audio recorder. Once it opens, you see from the top up menu on your left hand side, you will see the third option. You click on the third option, the interface will change. Once it change, there is a tool on your right hand on the second option or the first option. You click on it. On this option, it will help you to pull any song or any file on your phone and use it and drop it on the timeline. So over here, these are the songs I have on my phone. If you are finding it very difficult to locate them, you can also click on browse item from your file app. It will open, it will go straight to your downloads. So the music that we just downloaded was Kiddie. So you just have to click on Kwame Eugene or the Kiddie Spiritual. You wait for some few seconds, it will be updated and it will be added to your list. So once it is added, all you need to do is that you have to drag it and put it on the timestamp. Then you drag it to the beginning. Once you are done with that step, you listen to the song.
We didn't come here to play.
The portion where you want to use that particular song, you trim it. But remember, with that of the ISO, you can only use 30 seconds of a music as your ringtone. Anything exceeding 30 seconds is not going to play on your ringtone. So you need to trim a section that is either 30 seconds or within the 30 seconds frame. So you calculate, and this is the portion I want to use as my ringtone. So all I need to do is that I'll cut it. Once you cut it, you have to listen to it.
If you put your body,
if it is exactly what you want, then when you are done, there is an option on your left hand bottom. You click on it, a pop-up will appear like this saying my song. Then you click on my song, it will automatically save. You press it for 3 seconds, a pop-up will appear like this. Then you click on share. Once it opens, you have 3 options: song, ringtone, and project. So you select the one in the middle, or the second one, that is a ringtone. Then you click on it. They'll ask you if you want to use the name they have given to you as my song too, or you will name it, so it becomes very easy for you to identify them. So in this case, we are going to use DeSam tutorials, or maybe DeSam. When you finish with the typing, you click on export. For some few seconds, it will finish exporting as a ringtone. When you are done, you go back to your settings. So on my settings, then I'll locate songs. I'll click on song, then you look through the options and locate ringtone. I'll click on ringtone. You see, once it's a ringtone, you could find DeSam there, then you click on DeSam.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Then that is all. Guys. Thank you very much for taking some time to watch my video. I really appreciate that. Don't forget to share, comment. Those who have subscribed but you have not clicked on the notification bell, click on the notification bell so that anytime you release a video you will get a notification.